If we are talking about the next LeBron James, the next it player in the NBA, yeah, he's definitely overrated because I keep watching and waiting and watching and waiting. And this young man, who seems like a fine young man, just befuddles me more and more. I don't see the motor. I don't see the intensity. I don't see the passion. I don't see the killer will. I don't see the takeover intangibles. I keep waiting for Ben Simmons to be Ben Simmons.
She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm gone. I see some things that you might fear. I'm doing a show, I'll be back soon. That ain't what she wanna hear. Now I got it in my room. Legs wrapped around my beard. Got the fastest car, Zoom. Hope we make it out of here. When I'm with you, I feel alive. You say you love me, don't you lie? Won't cut my heart, don't wanna die. Keep the pistol on my side. Cases fumes. She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. We ain't stressing about the loot. My block made a case of real. This not the molly, this the boot. Ain't no coming back from here. Live a life a lot familiar. It's so much gain that I can't see it. Turn it up till they can't hear. Running around for the thrill. Yeah, dog, run my reel. Raw, I've been pouring to the real. No, they know back of the veil. Gorgeous, baby, keep me hard and still. This my life, I did not choose. Been on this since we was kids. We ain't gon' stay on top and break the rules. I fill my mind up with ideas. Cases fumes. She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here.